Welcome to a showcase of innovative tools and equipment that are transforming the landscape of construction and various tasks. From groundbreaking construction robots to versatile cordless screwdrivers, we've curated a list of cutting-edge solutions prioritizing efficiency, safety, and convenience. Hilti Jaibot. Let's kick things off with the Hilti Jaibot, a revolutionary construction robot designed for mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and interior finishing installations. Operating cordlessly for up to 8 hours on a single charge, the Jaibot precisely marks and drills holes based on digital plans, significantly boosting productivity. Prioritizing worker safety, it adapts to diverse installation needs, making it a versatile and user-friendly solution. The JBot aligns seamlessly with building information modeling practices, reducing errors, and improving accuracy. Priced at approximately $23,000, it's a game changer in the construction industry. Skil Twist 2.0 Cordless Screwdriver. Next up, we have the Skil Twist 2.0 Cordless Screwdriver, a versatile tool perfect for IT work to furniture assembly. Its standout feature is its ability to pivot and lock into different angles, making it ideal for tight spaces. With features like a magnetic hex collet, LED light, and adjustable torque settings, this $40 tool ensures convenience and efficiency in a variety of tasks. Invis Mk2 Connector. Moving on to the Invis Mk2, a unique connector that excels in aesthetics, stability, and productivity. It provides a secure locking joint with no visible openings, perfect for high-gloss painted furniture and various applications. Its standout feature is the ability to be taken apart and reconnected, eliminating the need for clamping. Priced affordably at $40, it comprises the Invis 12mm dowel and the Mini Mag, offering a clamping force of up to 250 kilograms per connector. Ryubi HP Brushless Mud Mixer. Now, let's enhance your Ryubi 18V 1+ system with the HP Brushless Mud Mixer. This powerful tool simplifies the mixing of materials like grout, mud, concrete, and paint, with 6-speed settings and a dual-handle design for ultimate control. It can mix over 30 buckets per charge, reducing downtime, and features a die-cast metal gear case for durability. Priced at $250, it's a valuable addition to your tool arsenal. Drywall MasterKing Automatic Taper. Introducing the Drywall MasterKing Automatic Taper, a high-quality taping gun that ensures consistent and precise application of tape and mud. With patented cover plates for easy cleaning and interchangeability with major brands, it minimizes wasted time and materials. Featuring aircraft-quality stainless steel and a hard-coat anodized tube, this taper is built to last. Flex Stackpack Toolbox Kit. Now let's elevate your tool storage with the Flex Stackpack Toolbox Kit. This comprehensive kit includes the rolling toolbox, medium toolbox, suitcase toolbox, organizer box, and medium organizer box. The rolling toolbox is highly mobile with rugged 9-inch wheels, allowing for easy movement across various terrains. Featuring quick connect interlocking attachment points for customization, gaskets in the lids prevent water and debris intrusion. With a substantial weight capacity of 500 pounds across 3 toolboxes, this kit, starting at $308, is a durable and organized solution for your tools. Hilti DX6 powder actuated toolkit. Introducing the Hilti DX6, a fully automatic bolt fastener designed to streamline construction tasks such as formwork and facade construction, timber and sheet metal fastening, and more. With a compact design prioritizing efficiency and functionality, it can fasten various materials to concrete, masonry, or steel. The DX6 powder actuated toolkit, priced at $1,850, includes everything you need for fastening. Glock 34. Customized firearm. Now, let's dive into the realm of craftsmanship with Lenny McGill from the Glock Store Performance and Custom Shop in San Diego. He unveils a true masterpiece, the Glock 34. This customized firearm is a testament to artistry and personalization, boasting a striking color scheme, deep laser engraving, and precise color filling. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, functional enhancements like the Glock knuckle undercut and trigger undercut improve grip comfort and control. Whether you're a collector or a shooter, the Glock 34 offers both attention-grabbing design and top-notch performance. Milwaukee M12 Crossline Laser. Up next is the Milwaukee M12. Not just a tool, but a versatile solution for professionals in various trades. It simplifies traditional leveling and alignment tasks, offering horizontal leveling and vertical alignment with its Crossline laser projection. The 3-mode pendulum system ensures accuracy on uneven surfaces, while high-intensity green diodes provide superior visibility. Built tough with an IP54 rating and equipped with a rechargeable red lithium USB battery, this laser is ready to tackle any job for $600. Goat Steep Assist Roof Ladder. For those challenging steep rooftops that seem impossible to conquer, meet your new best friend, the Goat Steep Assist Roof Ladder. This ladder isn't just a means of reaching heights, it's a game changer. With a compact design securely attached to your roof, it provides safe and easy access for tasks like hanging Christmas lights or fixing chimneys. Engineered for safety with handles along the pole for a secure grip, a 20-foot length, and a weight limit of 350 pounds, this ladder is designed for your ease and protection. Priced at around $500, it's a reliable solution for inspection and safe access. Nut Roller Collection System. Imagine a nut wizard, but with a twist. A roller that incorporates not 1, but 10 nut wizards. This ingenious modification takes nut, seed, and small item collection to a whole new level. Rolling it over the ground unleashes the collective action of the nut wizards, ensuring a thorough and efficient picking process. Perfect for gathering items like nuts, seeds, and more, this innovative design simplifies the collection process and offers effortless emptying. Priced at $500, it revolutionizes the way you gather small items. Barb Wire Hog. Introducing the Barb Wire Hog, your ultimate solution for efficient barbed wire installation. Traditional methods of handling barbed wire hog can be labor-intensive and time-consuming, but this tool changes the game by revolutionizing the dispensing and installation process. Capable of dispensing up to 3 rolls of barbed wire simultaneously, it drastically reduces installation time and enhances overall efficiency. No more manual handling of wire rolls. The hydraulic arms provide precise unrolling directly against the posts, ensuring secure and consistent installation. With a pivotal arm for laying new wire from either side of the fence and accommodating various project configurations, this tool is a game changer. Priced at around $900, the Barb Wire Hog sets a new standard for barbed wire installation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through cutting-edge tools and equipment that are transforming the way we approach construction and various tasks. From precision firearms to innovative ladders, each of these products offers unique features designed to enhance efficiency, safety, and overall performance. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, these tools are sure to make your work more manageable and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.